Okay, well, January 7, 2017. We just got stuck at the bottom of the driveway where the snow is a little thick, but it's not because of the snow, it's like really slippery. It's like ice. Because it's at the point where it was a wet snow, and now the road's a little like icy almost, and it's... When the snow is kind of like a little deep and fluffy, it's... You can compact it while you're riding on it. It's almost like traction. But tonight it's a little more like icy.
We need more grip.
Now it's not thick. It's not thick. It's not deep. But it's just this car has kind of wide tires.
It doesn't have the most grip?
Yeah, they're not like gripping tires. They're more like, they're almost better for performance. They're wide.
Does the van have good grip?
No, the van's not made for that. These are wide tires that can handle. You can go around a corner pretty fast, and these tires just grab the road. We should be okay. It was just at the bottom of the sidewalk, or the driveway, where it's like a V. It's shaped like a V. And we just got stuck there a little bit, but we're okay. These aren't the greatest tires for snow, but they're good tires. This car handles really good. So we're okay now. So anyway,
We're safe.
We're attempting to go to possibly Walmart. A couple things. I like to get some snow, what do you call, salt, if they have any. They may not even have any after today, probably not, but you can just get regular salt from the food market. The Morton salt, sprinkle that in the driveway, in the car park and all, and it melts the snow just the same. You sprinkle that around. I do that all the time. It makes the sidewalk dry. So, we're gonna head up there. We don't know if it's open or not.
I feel like it is.
Well, Matthew thinks it's open, so good. Hope so.
I looked online.
We're gonna go behind this car here. I'm gonna go where it looks like the road is the most clear. But we did post a video earlier, and you can see the skies now. It's cloudy. Snow is pretty much subsided. I think that's pretty much the rest of it. What do you think we got, bud? How much? I don't know. We got at least, I don't know, but I'm guessing a half a foot maybe, or maybe even a little more. I don't know. Pretty substantial. It's a lot of snow. You can see the road here.
I wish there was more.
Well, we'll look at the forecast later and see what we actually got, but it looks like at least 5-6 inches at least. I'm not sure, but it's pretty nice. Everything's white and nice looking. So, oh my God. Okay, so we're going down Princess Anne, and we're trying to go to Walmart tonight. You know, we posted a video today. We're just going out for a little ride. The neighborhood roads are still snowy, but Princess Anne Road here looks pretty good. Not too bad. We got stuck at the bottom of the driveway a little bit. So, a little bit frustrating. So, it's been one of those kind of days. But it's been a relaxing day. You can see the sky. I think most of the snow has subsided now. But I don't know, I think we got about 6 inches maybe. I'm guessing. 5-6 inches it looks like. Everything's totally covered in snow, and it's freezing cold out. So what do you think, buddy? Half a foot maybe?
Maybe like 4 or 5 inches.
Yeah. It's pretty nice. I don't want too much because I don't want to have to shovel snow with my injury. And it's, you know, hard for Matthew to do it all. He did a good job this morning. Pretty darn good job. Right, buddy? You did a real good job shoveling snow this morning.
Mm-hmm.
So this is Princess Anne heading up to Lynn Haven. We're over here in Virginia Beach. Making a snow video, and hopefully everybody will enjoy watching it. Who's sitting at home today. I know there's people home today that didn't want to go out. Hopefully they will enjoy this video, right?
Yeah.
So yeah. Everybody in the city, they can search up our video and subscribe, because we will be posting some cool videos in the summer. We're gonna go to amusement parks and different places, and we will be posting cool videos of pretty much everything we do.
Not a lot of people like to drive in the snow.
It will be epic. Yeah.
Not a lot of cars.
So, yeah, there's not many people out here. Only the adventurous people. Just have to drive slower. I learned how to drive in Baltimore. I learned how to drive with snow on the ground. First time I ever got in a car. And I drove in the snow all the time. I know how to do it. So there's Target. It appears nobody there. But that's Target. So we'll see. Remember a couple years ago we had a big snowstorm and there's a huge pile there?
Yeah, I remember.
They're shoveling snow and they're in the middle of the intersection. Let me try to go while the light's yellow. They have a strange way of shoveling the roads here, these little trucks.
Should be bigger.
Yeah, well, up north they're more prepared for stuff like this. But all in all, they did a pretty good job. The road is drivable, it's passable. And I'm not having any problem. I think that the way they do it's not very
Smart.
good way. Well, they're just driving diagonal through the intersection and not paying attention to the lights. They should just drive down the street straight and try to shovel.
Yeah.
A little more effective. But anyway. Whatever. So we're at Lynn Haven. Lynn Haven and Princess Anne.
And Walmart.
And I see a lot of people at Walmart. There's the Exxon on the corner, the petrol station. And I'll turn that off for the sake of the video. Yeah, somebody's stuck over there. You know, when you go through entrance ways to things, it kind of dips down and then back up. It's like a V ridge almost. You have to push your gas pedal and just go. You can't stop because that's where the snow collects. You know, the streets have been plowed and it goes off to the side and you gotta go. So we'll wait for the red light and then we'll continue. Okay, we got a green light. Now we can go. I had to restart this video. Originally I started at the house, but I realized that the camera somehow, the GoPro here, it's being recorded with GoPro Hero, the new GoPro 5, the 5 Black, really nice. But I realized that the setting got on 720 frames a second, or I mean 720p at 30 frames a second. I don't know how that happened. Just handling it in my pocket today, probably. Generally, I'm recording 1080p at 60 frames a second, which is great on a big screen TV. It's crystal clear. Don't want to go too much higher right now. Not everybody has 4K TVs, which it is capable of, but
It's open.
it gets a little laggy unless you got like a gaming computer or a really fast computer. It gets a little laggy just trying to handle the 4K.
I think it's open.
So I'm not too worried about it. Yeah, it appears to be open here. Walmart is kind of like that. So we're gonna go in here. It's a sheet of ice in the parking lot.
It's always open.
So we have to be a little bit careful. And we can just go relax a little bit and have fun. You get a little cabin fever sitting in the house all day, you know. Just sitting in the house doing nothing. Cabin fever, so we have to break out. And this is the Walmart in Virginia Beach at Princess Anne and Lynn Haven on the corner. So I'm just gonna park here. I'm not gonna try to drive around too much. And okay, so we will get off the car. And let's go to Walmart.
The keys.
I have the keys, thank you, sir. Okay, let's go. It's been a fun day. Let me check the headlights. Okay, the headlights were on. Okay.
Oh, no.
Yeah. still covered, but we've driven a couple times today, so be very careful. Right, buddy? So we're at Walmart now. It's a sheet of ice, so we need to be careful. It's better to walk where the white snow is. It's a little, so me and my buddy are here hanging out tonight. So we're just gonna go in and try to get some salt, maybe whatever's available. Like I said, I can just use Morton salt. That works. It's a smaller can, but it does work on the sidewalk. It makes it dry. It's very cheap to do that way. So here we are. So we're gonna go inside, catch up inside. Okay, now we're leaving Walmart. Did they sell that in there?
Huh?
Were they selling that in there?
They were. They're out of them now.
Oh, okay, that's cool. Oh, buddy. I was asking the man if they were selling salt. I would have bought a bag or two. They are pretty much, I don't have any of that. I wouldn't mind having a bag. Sprinkle in the driveway just for overnight because it's gonna freeze up. But that's okay. Tomorrow I can just chip it. And then it'll chip into pieces, that's all. That's what I usually do. Can always use table salt if you have a couple of the Morton salt cans. Sprinkle it around, that helps. All right, so we're gonna head on back down Princess Anne, headed back home as soon as we find where we parked, which is over here. And then we'll take a little more video just to show what the roads look like here in Virginia Beach. Okay, let's get in the car here. Okay.
Hopefully he doesn't have any problems this time.
Okay. Can you hold that real quick, bud? Hold it real still. While I get my seat belt on, of course. Otherwise the car is going to sing to me the whole way home. Okay. Okay.
I just like putting my clothes on because it feels good.
So, bro. Okay, let's head on home. See what we got.
We got nothing.
See what we have.
Oh.
Excuse my poor choice of words. But I did that on purpose. All right, here we go. Woo! Bumpy. You can see where the plow did a little bit, and the rest they just kind of, they plowed originally and then they plowed it all the way down to the concrete or asphalt. So it's kind of like a little bump. Unexpected. Nobody out here waving the flag. Oh yeah, they are. Are you serious? They always have somebody waving, directing traffic out here. There's like 2 or 3 cars probably every 20 minutes coming. Unbelievable. So that guy has to stand out here waving a flashlight. I can't believe that. That's Walmart.
He's getting paid for it though.
I wouldn't want to get paid to do that tonight. No, thank you. So anyway, today we're just gonna go home, and tomorrow we'll see what happens. I think that's it for the snow. That should be it. Maybe tomorrow it'll warm up a little and the roads will even be better, I'm sure. So we'll pause till the next green light. Okay, so we're going again. Just a little, 1 block down Lynn Haven to get back to Princess Anne. The good thing is there's nobody on the road tonight, so we can kind of drive in the middle. We can drive. There are no lanes. It's a 1-lane comfort cruise.
Yeah.
Excuse me. So let's head on home. anybody's thinking about going out or has to go out anywhere in Virginia Beach tonight, if you see this video, just drive slow. I think you can get where you're going no problem. Even through the neighborhood, the road's not too bad. Just getting out of the driveway, you know, there's going to be a little bit of a pile of snow at the end of the driveway maybe, but it's doable. I don't see too much problem. You just have to drive slow. Keep in mind, give yourself some extra time. But it's not a problem.
Here's the truck again.
Yeah, here's the truck that just thinks he's in a parking lot. Only in Virginia do you see stuff like this. Well, maybe down somewhere else. They just drive around. It's not the normal way, but that's how they do it here. Okay, so another pause.
Keep back 100 feet.
This is Independence in Princess Anne. Over there, there's a Target, Farm Fresh Food Market, and a bunch of other stores. KFC. Yeah, and here's one of the big plow trucks that they use at Virginia Beach.
He backed up this time.
Well, you know, when you come from up north, you see the big trucks and all everywhere. So that's what they use. But they did a good job. Actually, they did a pretty good job. So it's almost our turn to drive. Okay, it should be our turn in a second. There you go. Okay, so we're gonna head on down the road, crossing over Independence. And there's the Target over there.
I think it's closed though, right?
Yeah, it's definitely closed. They're plowing their drive, or their car park. So, it's closed for business. But, which is good. I mean, there's no need to make your employees go out in this kind of weather anyway. I mean, the normal places are closed, like Wendy's, closed. We're just driving by one. 7-Eleven, open, of course. But a lot of stuff's closed, you know, regular stuff. So, and this is Virginia Beach, so we'll see. I mean, they might shut the roads down, or the school down Monday, I don't know. Because they'll say something like, due to some neighborhood roads still are slippery, we will be closing all Virginia Beach City Public Schools. So we'll see if we get that message tomorrow.
It happened like last year or something.
Yeah, it happens when you least expect it. There goes a Virginia City Police while I hold the GoPro in the windshield. Hope you feel the love that I'm putting into this video. I know I shouldn't be doing this, but there's nobody really driving, so I could pretty much not have to worry about other cars. If the road was crowded, I wouldn't be doing this. Okay, another yellow light. So we'll pick up in just a minute. Now we're at Concert Drive, right by the Virginia Sentara Princess Anne Hospital and the amphitheater. And we're gonna head on down the Dam Neck Road next. Okay, green light. We're passing Concert Drive here, still on Princess Anne. A couple other cars here with us. Hopefully, if anybody didn't get out today, they can at least enjoy watching the video. It's not the same, but less aggravating, possibly, for most people. So now we're at Dam Neck Road here. Corner, you have Princess Anne Park. Adjacent corner, you have the Farmers Market and, you know, the organic grocer and all. Over on the other corner is the shopping center. So we'll be home in a little bit. We're heading back to the Lansdowne neighborhood, which is the next right after the stores up here. We'll be there. So here's a shot over here. That's the Virginia Beach, the Farmers Market. And that's heading down Dam Neck. So you can take a look at the road. Not too bad. Not too bad. Just a little icy. Okay. This is the last light. We're going by the Lansdowne Commons Shopping Center. And on the other side, there's Lansdowne, whatever they call it. Lansdowne Center, they call it. That's the new shops. The brand new CHKD medical building here, the health center. Really nice. I'm not sure what's in there, but... So here we are. We're going to turn into Lansdowne. Lansdowne community here in Virginia Beach. Another mile or two down the road, 2 miles, I think, 2.5 miles, is the Virginia Beach municipal buildings, the courthouse, all the government, Virginia Beach government buildings. So, got all the nice LED lighting here, the nice brand new lighting and everything. It's really nice. Oh, a little bumpy, but we made it. Okay, so we're gonna end this video here so we can go down our street and park safely. So that's about it. Hope you enjoyed, and if you go out, stay safe.